Alright, let's do an unboxing of this switch. Oh no, it's a switch, it's a router. It's a router, but it has a switch inside. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in this box. Later I'm going to do some testing and see how it goes. So the only downside is the marketing of UniFi. It's very bad. As you can see, you see that says UniFi, Cloud Gateway Fiber, and then that's it. So here, as you can see here, we have the serial number, and it says the address of Ubiquiti, made in Vietnam, and that's it. There is no more than that. So I just took it out of the box so that way it will be faster, so that way you can see unifi.ue.com. Here the QR code, so that way you can download the software, and this is what it comes. So I just took it out of the box, so you will see this. You will see it looks like a Mac, like MacBook Pro. So it comes with this bag, everything, all the packaging. I mean, it looks very nice. It looks, you take it out of the box, or the packaging, it comes this inside of this. It looks like an iPhone, at least the packaging inside. Very minimalistic. Here it comes with this, just in case if you want to mount it on the wall. As you can see, there you have the mounting places. So hopefully you put it like that, but I don't see any holes or anything like that. So hopefully you don't have to go through the plastic. This is no a piece of wood, but okay. I'm going to just put it on top of my rack later, and that's it. So it comes with a screen, as you can see here, a tiny screen. I'll show you later. So here on the side, it has some locking mechanism or something like that. I don't know. It doesn't say what is this for. I see a light here. Maybe you can put something inside. It doesn't say, at least on the website. Here you have the ports. So these 3 ports are 10 gigabits, and these are 2.5. So I'm going to put my internet here. I'm going to check it and test it with these ports. The downsides, I have 3 gigabits, so most likely I will have to buy an adapter, so that way I can use one of these ports and hook it up to my switch. My switch is 10 gigabits, so I'm not going to be able to utilize the 3 gigabits, but it will be better than what I have right now. I am using the Ubiquiti, the MikroTik, and the MikroTik I cannot get 10 gigabits, so that is why I'm buying this. So as you can see, it comes with this charger. As you can see, this is just a power supply. I don't think so there is a battery inside. It comes with this cable. Just plug it in here, and we should be good. I'm going to test it later, and it should come with a MagSafe. Looks like it comes with this tiny patch cord, as you can see here, and I mean, it looks nice. As you can see, it's all fabric. Looks like the charger for the iPhone. The only thing I don't like is because, you know, it's all white, and at least with the iPhone, you know, you just plug it in, unplug it all the time, and with the grease of your hand, you know, it's going to get dirty. Here, as you can see, it looks nice, but here it's nasty. I wish it could be black. I think it would be better. At least you will not see the grease. Other than that, it comes with this packaging. You can just leave it here if you want to, or just take it out. So basically, this is how it came with the other one, the router. So it doesn't matter much to me. To put this away, just plug this in, and I'll make some testing, do some testing, and that's it. So I'm going to show you the screen so that way you can see. So basically it's 280, and here you have the ports. So if you want to use this, you see, you can. Here in the front, I don't know, there is no display, at least in the pictures. And here are the ports. So as you can see here, we have 10 gigabit port. I have another 10 gigabit, and then I have this one. I wish this one could be 10 gigabit as well, but it's not. Here it says status display, as you can see, is I don't know, it's weird because that is the front of the screen and I don't have that. That is the screen that you see there. But okay, this is their website. And that's it. So those are the specs that you see. And like I showed you before, here on the side, you see there is no port or anything like that. I mean, there is a hole in my switch, as you can see, and this is everything that comes with it. And I'll show you the MikroTik that I bought. So here you have a little bit of specs. I'm going to leave you the links just in case if you want to buy this switch or this router switch later. And the throughput of this is 10 gigabits. So power consumption 10 watts. System, it says 2 gigs, 1 pound, quad core. These are the temperatures. Okay, don't run it very hot. Seems like it's not going to work very well. Maybe it's like an iPhone. You have here a PoE if you want to use it. MAC address table size 4000. And this is at least for now, is the best thing that you can get for now. So let's see what else. Here we have the ports like I was talking before. I know the throughput is 10 here with IPS 5 gigs, but the throughput is 10. And that's it. This is like the smallest one device that you can get with the most amount of speed, as you can see here. Yeah, you can compare it with others. I'm going to show you now the Amazon, the MikroTik that I bought, so that way you can see. Don't buy that if you expecting 10 gigs, you're not going to get it. MikroTik. There you go. This is the product that I bought, and if you see here, it says 10 gigabits. It should work. Switch 4 ports, as you can see here, and if you see, it says all the ports 10 gigabits, but it doesn't work. I put my cable modem here on the port 1, my LAN in port 2. I'm not getting 10 gigabits. So that is a problem. I'll show you here. Fast internet. That is all I'm getting. Sometimes I get 1.5. That's it. And I have 3 gigabits. So that is the problem I'm getting. And speed test. So the way you can see here. Slow. Okay, that is basically what I'm getting. Usually the upload is a little bit faster. Okay, I'm not getting more than that. So I'm going to unplug it, see how it goes, and that's it. So if you want to keep learning, go to my playlist. You will see all my classes, how to become a computer technician, network, and everything else. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.